Are you looking for an electric snowblower to keep your driveway and sidewalks cleared this winter? Check out our list of the top 5 models. These machines are powerful and easy to use and will help you get the job done quickly and easily. So let's get started with the list. List No. Power Smart Electric Snowblower. The Power Smart Electric Snowblower is a highly effective solution for any home or business with a driveway, parking area, or wide walkway to clear. The 15-amp electric brushless motor moves up to 800 pounds in min of snow and can propel snow up to 35 feet away. 21-inch width and 12.5-inch intake height chlorine range makes it quick for clearing snow in driveways, walkways, sidewalks, patios, etc. It is easy to start and runs quietly. The Snowblade 15-amp electric snowblower is designed to efficiently clear snow and ice from your driveway or walks. It is only 40 pounds, and the tires measure 8 by 2 inches, which makes it easy to maneuver and assemble. The machine runs quietly and is easy to start because there are no gas, emissions, or wear and tear. The rubber auger helps cut through tough snow so you can continuously blow away the snow until it's gone. List No. Greenworks 10-amp 16-inch corded electric snowblower. The Greenworks 16 inches snow shovel is proven to be the best choice for clearing snow from large areas. Its 10-amp motor provides plenty of power to tackle jobs up to 600 pounds per minute. With a wide clearing width of 16 inches and discharge distance of 25 feet. The 14-inch impeller uses its exceptional weight to provide a very efficient clearing path for high-volume snow removal, so you can get in and out quickly and with minimal effort. This model has the power needed for all tasks, from medium-sized yards to larger areas that need a little extra attention. This powerful snow shovel features an electric motor for premium power and performance, and an adjustable handle for a comfortable fit into hands of any size. The 16-inch clearing width ensures that this model gets its job done quickly and efficiently in small to medium-sized yards, while its 6-inch discharge depth allows it to get down to the sidewalk, clearing all snow out of its path. List number. Voltask Electric Snowblower. The Voltask Electric Snowblower is an electric snow thrower that is designed with versatility in mind. It comes with an easy-to-use rotating crank that allows you to move the blower head as you need to. Its 180-degree adjustable chute and height adjustable deflector top provide for effortless clearing in any direction. This electric snowblower has no gas, oil, and less maintenance, making it comparable to a gas alternative. The unique design of the Voltask electric snowblower allows you to take advantage of all areas by simply rotating the crank or pivoting head of deflector to change the height of snow stream. The wear-resistant auger blade with rubber can quickly clear snow and provide longer and efficient work performance without damaging your ground. Easy electric start for a hassle-free operation. Just turn the walk-behind snowblower on to remove snow. List number. 18-inch electric snowblower. The 18-inch gas snowblower by Husqvarna is powered by a 1600-watt motor that delivers powerful performance for gas alternative. Maneuvering, and throwing are made easy with the 180-degree directional chute, which allows you to move snow easily and quickly. With a full bale ergonomic handle, lift handle, zip deflector, lightweight design, and easy assembly, this gas alternative snowblower is a great option for residential customers who do not want to use gas or oil. Built for lasting performance, this high-quality machine is designed for years of use. It has an 18-inch clearing path and a 7-inch clearance depth, allowing you to easily clear snow off of sidewalks and driveways in the shortest amount of time possible.